Sunday's short, accurate, positive, and important news. The Japanese ambassador in Kabul called on the Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan Foreign Minister. Welcoming the delegation, Foreign Minister Muttaqi thanked Japan for $106 million in aid in its positive diplomatic interaction, calling such interaction a roadmap for the international community. Mufti Muhammad Tahir appointed as the Deputy of Student Affairs of Ministry of Higher Education. Based on the order of Amirul Mu'mineen, Mufti Muhammad Tahir was appointed as the Deputy of Student Affairs of the Ministry of Higher Education. Laghman Governor met with the Minister of Energy and Water. Laghman Governor Kari Abid, in a meeting with the Acting Minister of Energy and Water, requested the start of the Royal Canal project. Mr. Mansoor assured the Governor that a technical team has been appointed to start the practical work of this project. New uniforms and winter clothes distributed to the police of Baghlan. New uniforms and winter clothes were distributed to the police forces of Baghlan in the center and 14 districts of this province. A uniform production factory was inaugurated. A clothing and uniform production factory was inaugurated in Kabul by a national businessman, which provided employment to 100 people. 3 armed car thieves were arrested. Kabul Police Command says that the officials of the 15th district have arrested 3 armed car thieves with the help of citizens and handed them over to the law. 187 kilograms of narcotics discovered in Maidan Wardak. Counter-narcotics officials of Maidan Wardak province said that 187.5 kg of hashish was seized in Awal Khel village of Narkh district, and 1 person was arrested in connection with it. Extraction work of mines has been started in Zabul. Extraction work of first and second block chromite mines have been started in Sher Safa district of Zabul. The director of Zabul mines said these mines are given to 5 companies under contract for 5 years. According to officials, companies are obliged to implement many development projects.